ATC CNC router. What is an automatic tool changer and why is it essential for professional production? Modern woodworking is evolving faster than ever. As manufacturers seek higher productivity, better precision, and greater efficiency, CNC technology continues to become more advanced. In the early days, operators had to stop the machine and manually change router bits every time a different operation was required. Although effective, this process consumed valuable production time. To eliminate these interruptions, manufacturers developed automatic tool changer systems, commonly known as ATC. Today, ATC CNC routers are considered one of the most important technologies in professional woodworking. In this video, we'll explore how automatic tool changers work, their advantages, and why they have become essential for modern furniture production. What is an ATC CNC router? ATC stands for Automatic Tool Changer. An ATC CNC router is capable of changing cutting tools automatically during machining without operator intervention. Instead of stopping the machine and replacing router bits manually, the CNC selects the correct tool from its tool magazine and continues machining automatically. This allows multiple operations to be completed in a single cycle. How does an automatic tool changer work? Everything is controlled by the CNC program. Whenever a different tool is required, the spindle moves toward the tool magazine. The current tool is returned to its holder. The next tool is selected. The spindle automatically picks up the new tool. And machining continues without interruption. The entire process usually takes only a few seconds. Why is an ATC system important? In professional manufacturing, time is money. Every machine stop reduces productivity. Manual tool changes increase production time and require additional operator involvement. Automatic tool changers eliminate these delays and allow the machine to operate more efficiently. For companies producing large volumes of furniture, this advantage can be extremely valuable. Types of tool magazines. There are several types of ATC systems. Linear tool magazines are simple, reliable, and common on many woodworking machines. Carousel magazines store tools in a circular arrangement and provide faster tool changes. Independent rotary magazines are typically found on industrial machines designed for continuous production. Each system has its own advantages depending on production requirements. How many tools can an ATC machine hold? Depending on the machine design, an ATC router may contain 4 tools, 6 tools, 8 tools, 12 tools, 16 tools, or even more than 20 tools. The ideal number depends on the complexity of the products being manufactured. Common router bits used with ATC machines. Most woodworking shops regularly use spiral bits, finishing bits, ball nose cutters, engraving tools, tapered bits, drills, profile cutters, and slot cutters. With an ATC system, all these tools are immediately available during machining. Advantages of ATC CNC routers. Automatic tool changers provide many important benefits. They increase productivity. They reduce downtime. They improve consistency. They minimize operator errors. And they allow multiple operations to be completed within a single machining program. For professional production, these advantages can dramatically improve efficiency. Standard CNC versus ATC CNC. A standard CNC machine requires manual tool changes. An ATC machine performs these operations automatically. As a result, ATC routers offer shorter production times, higher productivity, less operator involvement, and greater overall efficiency. Although the initial investment is higher, many businesses quickly recover the additional cost through increased output. Are there any disadvantages? Like any advanced technology, ATC systems also have certain disadvantages. The machines are more expensive. Programming can be slightly more complex. Maintenance requirements may increase. And high-quality spindles are essential for reliable performance. However, for professional workshops, the advantages usually far outweigh the disadvantages. Is an ATC CNC router worth the investment? The answer depends on your business. For hobby users or occasional production, a standard CNC router may be sufficient. But for furniture manufacturers, custom woodworking businesses, and companies producing larger quantities, an ATC machine can provide a major competitive advantage. Faster production and improved efficiency often justify the investment. Final thoughts. Automatic tool changers have transformed modern CNC woodworking. By eliminating manual tool changes, they allow manufacturers to produce more parts in less time while maintaining excellent quality. For many professional workshops, an ATC CNC router is no longer considered a luxury. It has become an essential part of modern production.